Hindi ko alam kung sino sa inyo mga kapatid yung pangiti-ngiti lang pero you've been in this situation. That you are trapped between where you want to go, that the future is dark and the past is so bright na parang kang hinahunting ng yung nakaraan and you don't know where to go. And you've been praying and asking God for a miracle, asking God for a breakthrough, and you can't seem to experience what God has promised in your life. That's why now you're tired. Pagod ka na rin. You're weary because the battle is taking longer than it should. You're still sick, you're still poor, you're still single, you're still jobless. Pagod na pagod ka na kahit matulog ka, it doesn't fix it. And you used to believe that you can do it on your own. Dati naniniwala ka pang you will overcome. Dati naniniwala ka pa na kaya mo mapagtagumpayan ng lahat. But right now, as you see it, there's nothing to look forward to. I'm hopeless and there's no light at the end of the tunnel. So what must I do? Escape? Run away? Quit? Or a better solution? Kung wala kang mapuntahan sa harap, wala kang mapuntahan sa likod, pwedeng-pwede ka pa rin tumingala. Because help is on the way.